Hello, today I will show you how to restore that to steering wheel. The leisure, always when you use the steering wheel, condition is the bad, and you need to make the better. Buy this leisure MOTIP leisure and vinyl paint. Before you start, make everything with safety, because you don't want to the color get in here or here. Use the paper from the paper material. You can easily get off after the painting. Before you start, shaking the balloon and remove all dusters. And if you have small scratch, remove this. But very careful, without power. Okay, when everything is clean, start to the painting. Take off these caps, there is the safety clips. Remove this red ring, and after that start. Okay, when the ring is off, put back to the injector, and first put out. Be careful, don't use in one place too much. Put the color step by step around to the steering wheel. Don't press in one place, because the result was after that very bad. And check the other side, to the back side, to the steering wheel, and do this. If you need to the 2 times, I need only 1 time, and that's it. Okay, when you finish the painting, stay 20 or 30 minutes to the color is finished to use. And take off to the papers and try to the dry, and that's it. Easy fix. The color is dry. I think the result is very good. I also use this color for my convertible BMW. This is original, very old. I restored and painting here, and the result is also very good. Yeah, you can use this color if you need where is the vinyl or leisure material, and there as well. Look very good, yeah. That's it. If you some question, ask me, I give you the answer. Thank you for watching.